So starting with numbers and number system in O levels mathematics, the first thing which we need to do is BODMAS, right? So BODMAS में सबसे पहले do you know BODMAS होता क्या है? How do we go about BODMAS? सबसे simple, yes, B is for brackets. Yes, exactly. B is for bracket, D is for division, uh, M is for multiplication, right? A is for addition, and S is for subtraction. ठीक है? So this is the whole summary of BODMAS, which is pretty simple. आप लोग पहले करते आए होंगे. Now, if there is a question, 9 divided by 3 plus 1 multiplied by 2 minus 3. How will we do this question using BODMAS? Okay, yes, following BODMAS, as you know, first we divide. So सबसे पहले we are going to do the division part. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, then plus 1 multiplied by 2 minus 3. In next step we are going to multiply. So this will become 3 plus 2 minus 3, right? Because 2 ones are 2. Then we are going to add, क्योंकि BODMAS में then there is add. 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 3, and 5 minus 3 finally will give you 2. So this is going to be your answer for BODMAS. ठीक है, थोड़ा आपने गलती की थी, लेकिन this is how you follow BODMAS. Simple logic है. Let's do a little bit of practice questions, then we are going to move forward. अच्छा, before we go for the questions, इसमें BODMAS में there is one more thing about brackets. First you have these normal brackets, then you have these square brackets, and then you have the curly brackets, right? अच्छा, keep in mind the priority is always going to be in the same way. सबसे पहले आप normal brackets को खोलेंगे, then you are going to open the square brackets, and thirdly you are going to open the curly brackets. Okay? So for example, if there was a question 3 minus 4 bracket 3x minus 8 and normal bracket 4, this is how the questions are going to be for such bracket questions. ठीक है? Sorry, इसमें the black ones are the, ठीक है, the black ones are the square bracket, and red one is complete over here. ठीक है, so these are the brackets questions over here. So solving this, सबसे पहले आप red वाला करेंगे, because that is on priority number 1. Is this clear? Yes. So this will become 3 minus 4 3x and minus 8 4s are 32, right? Then we are going to solve the normal the square bracket. In the square bracket, this 4 is going to multiply by both of these values. ठीक है? So this is going to become 3 minus 4 3s are 12x, and minus 4 multiplied by minus 32 is going to become plus 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12, so 128. Is this clear? So now simply we are left with the big bracket. Now अगर हम big bracket हटा भी दें, there is no issue because everything is inside the bracket. Okay, so moving on, this will, our final answer is going to be minus 12x plus 131. ठीक है, दिस इज़ योर फाइनल आंसर, राइट. सो दिस इज़ द ब्रैकेट्स पार्ट ऑफ बॉडमास के बॉडमास में ब्रैकेट्स की ये वैल्यू है. सबसे पहले आप नॉर्मल ब्रैकेट्स खोलेंगे, फिर स्क्वायर और फिर आप कर्ली खोलेंगे. ठीक है. So now let's move to the questions. I'm going to show you the questions now. Okay. Okay, so these are a few questions for BODMAS. इनको आप जल्दी से प्रैक्टिस कर लें. Then we are going to share the answer for these questions. Okay, so you can do them. So let's start doing these questions. सबसे पहले so you are going to solve this bracket, right? So 7 minus 5 is going to be 2, and minus 2 minus 3 is going to be minus 1, right? That will be minus 5 minus 3. There is a minus with the 5, सिर्फ 5 नहीं है. ठीक है. So first आप 7 minus 5 करें, that gives you 2, right? And 2 minus 3 gives you minus 1. So 10 minus and bracket में minus 1. This minus minus is going to change into plus. So 10 plus 1, this is going to give you 11. 20 minus 11 is going to be 9. ठीक है. And that is going to be 25 minus 9. And your answer is going to be 16. So the answer is 16. Here let's come to the second one. इसमें होगा again we are going to solve the bracket first. इस bracket में देखें what will we solve first, the plus or the minus? The plus, because in BODMAS the addition comes before subtraction. So we are going to get 25 multiplied by 2 and 60 minus 5, right? 25 multiplied by 2 into 55, that is 25 multiplied by 55 multiplied by 2. Use your rough work because calculators are not allowed for BODMAS questions. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 0 1, 5 2s are 10, 11. You get 110. So 110 multiplied by 25, 5 zeros is 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, right? Then 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. I assume आपको ये basic multiplication आती है, right? Okay, so you get 2750. Okay, wait a second, if you have done a mistake I will tell you. Acha. Finally, last question में you get 20 divided by 10 bracket 10 divided by, first you are going to solve this bracket. 2 into 2.5 is 5, right? So 20 divided by 10 and 2, because 10 divided by 5 is 2, right? Now we're going to solve this bracket, right? So 20 divided by 20 and the answer is 1. So these are the three answers to these three basic BODMAS questions. Okay, the next thing we have is fractions and decimal, right? सबसे पहले तो हम fractions में आते हैं. Fractions में we are going to move towards mixed fractions. ठीक है, पहले mixed fraction वाला एरिया क्लियर करते हैं. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में आपके पास जैसे है 3 होल 1/4. मैं आपसे कहता हूँ उसको नॉर्मल फ्रैक्शन बनाएं. So what are the steps? Yes, we multiply these two and we add the above numbers. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, and 12 plus 1 is 13. So 13 upon 4. असल में this 3 whole 1 upon 4, this means 3 plus 1 upon 4. ये लिखा हुआ होता है, लेकिन हम बीच में से प्लस को गायब कर देते हैं. ये लॉजिक क्लियर हो रही है? मिक्स फ्रैक्शंस की ये लॉजिक होती है कि वी एक्चुअली जस्ट रिमूव द प्लस. क्योंकि अगर आप देखें, मैं इसके नीचे 1 लगाऊंगा एंड आई मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 ऑन बोथ साइड्स. So 4 3s are 12 and divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 4. तो अगर आप गौर से देखें, we get 13 divided by 4. So technically mixed fractions में आप बस बीच में से ये प्लस को गायब कर देते हैं, just so it looks more more clean. वरना ये असल में ऐड ही हो रहा होता है ये नंबर. Is this clear now? Similarly, if I tell you the reverse thing कि मुझे 13 upon 4 है, I want you to change it into mixed fraction. Can you do that? Yes. You're going to divide using the hat method, right? So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, and 1 remainder. So this quotient is gonna come outside, right? Remainder comes on the top and 4 stays on its place, right? So this is your remainder. This is your remainder and this is your quotient. Clear? Is this clear? ठीक है. अब similarly, now let's come to decimal points. We have 13 upon 4 and I want you to write this in decimal. So 13 divided by 4, I want you to write in decimals. How are you going to write this? First we are going to simplify the fraction. As you can see, ये fraction already is simplified. ये इससे ज़्यादा simplify हो नहीं सकता. We cannot simplify it further. So 13 and bracket 4, we are going to use the hat method. As we know, 4 3s are 12, okay? We get remainder 1. Now when we get the remainder, we put a decimal. Now because of this decimal, we can put 0 in our answers. So now we get 10. 4 2s are 8. We subtract them, we get 2. Because of the decimal, we are allowed to put 1 0, right? So we get 20. 4 5s are 20. So now we get the remainder 0. Our answer in decimal is going to be 3.25. Is this clear? One more thing I want you to know. Suppose you have this number 1384 divided by 100. Keep in mind, when we are dividing by 100, by 10, 100 or 1000, we simply just move the decimal back. Okay, this is the rule which we follow for hundreds and thousands and tens, numbers which have 0. Okay, so if you see 13.13 has its decimal at the end, because every number, if there is no decimal, so हम उसको end पे decimal लगाते हैं, right? So this decimal is going to move back 2 places because it is dividing. So we just move the decimal back. So this is going to become 13.84 and this is going to be your answers, right? So this is for decimal moving of simple numbers using 10, hundreds and thousands. Now let's move to some questions. अच्छा, बिफोर क्वेश्चंस simple addition of fractions भी कर लेते हैं ताकि I can give you all the questions together, right? Now in this what we have is like, suppose you have 2 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 4. ठीक है, this is simple. Yes, this is fraction addition and subtraction. Fraction addition and subtraction. Okay, because in addition and subtraction the process is same. आप simply या तो add कर देंगे या subtract कर देंगे. ठीक है, keep in mind some rules. First, make the denominators same, then simply add the fraction, add the numerators. To be more exact, numerators are the top part. ये ऊपर वाले को numerators कहते हैं, जो आपके पास अभी 2 और 1 है ना. So we are going to follow these two simple rules, right? So first we got to make the denominators same. As you can see, the denominators are not same. हम LCM लेंगे. We are going to take a simple LCM. First we start with the smallest number, which is 2. So 2 2s are 4, 3 is going to stay the same, 2 1s are 2, the 3 is going to stay the same. As you can see, हमारे पास एक side 1 आ गया. Yes, now we are going to use 3. So 3 1s are 3. So our LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. That makes it 12. Right? Exactly. Now we are going to make the denominators 12. वो कैसे करना है? As you can see over here, we have 3. So we got to multiply by 4 and multiply by 4 on the top 2. Because there is a rule of maths, जो आप नीचे करें वो आपको ऊपर भी करना है. You have got to do the same thing on either side of the fraction or either side of the equation. Because if I go one step forward और मैं एक step वापस आऊँ तो मुझे अपनी पिछली equation पर आ जाना चाहिए. So multiply by 4 and multiply by 4 ये दोनों आपस में कट भी सकते हैं, जिसकी वजह से we'll again get our original fraction of 2 upon 3. So that's why there is rule कि whatever you do in the denominator you have to do it in the numerator. Similarly on the other side हमें 4 को 3 से multiply कर देंगे because 4 3s are 12 and we need to make the denominator 12. So now our new fractions are going to be 8 upon 12 plus we are going to have 3 upon 12, right? So now simply the denominator is going to be same. आप इसको simply 12 कर देंगे, right? And then yes, you're going to add these two. So 8 9 10 11. This is your answer. If this was subtraction, आप simply 8 और 3 को minus कर देते. That's it. There is no change in the process. आप simply उसको minus कर देंगे, बाकी सब चीज़ें same होंगी. ठीक है? We are going to move towards multiplication and division. लेकिन first let's do some practice questions for addition. Okay, so these are the practice questions. These are for simple numbers, like simple fractions. Sorry. The question number 4 is for mixed fractions. ठीक है? These mixed fractions, first you got to make them into normal fractions and then you're going to add them. ठीक है? So I want you to try question number A, B, C right now, and question number A from 4A, from question number 4, and then we are going to move forward. The rest you can take as homework. Okay? Okay, so moving forward, we have fraction. Multiplication, multiply and divide. सही है? In these questions, simply आपको ऐसे questions मिलेंगे 3 upon 5 multiply by 4 upon 3, right? So अगर आप देखें 4 3s are 12 and 5 3s are 15. इसमें आप दोनों you multiply both sides, the numerators and the denominators, both of them. right? Though this can be simplified, 2 4s are 12 and 2 5s are 15, so this becomes 4 upon 5, right? Similarly, if you have whole numbers, 3 whole 1 upon 2 multiplied by 4 whole 1 upon 3, what you got to do is 3 2s are 6, 7 upon 2. I've changed the first mixed fraction into a normal fraction, and 4 3s are 12, 13 upon 2. First you are going to change these fractions into normal numbers, right, and then you're going to multiply.